So we're just going to approach roundabouts to go ahead, and we're just going to be looking at what's happening on the roundabout on our right, and I'm going to talk about what we can see. I've got a camera on there pointing to the right at the same time, so you can see what I can see, and we're looking for gaps. So you can see there, I'm slowing myself down for the roundabout, checking what's going on. Definitely clear, so there's no need to stop. Checking the mirrors, signalling to come off. So we're going to go ahead at this roundabout. So I'm slowing myself down. Middle lane is what I'm after there. Checking to my right, there's a car coming through, a blue car coming through and a gap behind them, but I can't see as I get here, so I need to get up to the line. I can see now, just a little bit there, and I'm off. Bit of traffic ahead of me again, so I'm slowing myself down. Now remember, it's the right you give way to at roundabouts, and we're going to follow the road ahead again, so I don't need the right lane, but you can use the right lane, I tell you can there. I'm going to use the middle lane, which is going to be middle lane, then to the left. So I'm checking to my right, there's a grey car coming through, so I'm slowing myself down for the white line, straight into first gear, checking, and I'm off. And I'm off again, mirror signal. And we're going to follow the road ahead again at the next roundabout. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead at the roundabouts. And I'm looking what's going on, slowing myself down a bit, seeing what's happening in the red car. It's coming round with no indicator on. Pop it in first, off the brake, gas, biting point. Look to come across to the left, mirror signal to come off. Yeah, show indicators, and it makes it a lot easier for everyone to work out what you're trying to do in the first second. We're going to go ahead at both roundabouts. Slow myself down, middle lane again, checking what's happening on the right. There's a grey car coming round, or he's indicating left now, so that's fine. So and we're coming off, mirrors to the left, signal left. Now see that grey car, he was in the wrong lane, but he indicated, so he's telling everyone what he wants to do. So it made it easy for me to work it out. I'm going to go left, checking to the right, definitely clear, nothing's coming my way. It was close, that white car with the indicator on was about to enter, but by the time he gets round, I'm off now. See, it's just coming through now, so I'm off. So yeah, show an indicator when you're on a roundabout or you're approaching, and then everyone knows what you're trying to do. And it helps people to decide whether they can go, whether they can't go, what you're trying to do, they work out from there. So I'm hoping this short video on looking at roundabouts, looking at what's happening on the right is helping you. If it does, fantastic. I'll put some videos below on roundabouts that are going to help you again. Take care.